Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 is running dead slow, you might be experiencing an issue with your hard drive. This can happen for several reasons, such as a failing drive or corrupted data. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more severe problems like data loss or complete device failure, making it crucial to tackle this issue promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a replacement hard drive, and a plastic opening tool. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. It's essential to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Start by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of your Acer N19H2. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. Once opened, locate the hard drive. It's usually situated near the center of the device, secured with screws. Carefully unscrew the hard drive using your Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could strip the screws. After removing the screws, gently disconnect any cables attached to the hard drive. It's important to handle these cables with care to avoid damaging nearby components. Now, you can lift the old hard drive out of its slot. Replace it with the new hard drive by reversing the process. First, slide it into the slot and reconnect the cables securely. Then, screw it back in place, ensuring it's firmly secured but not overly tight. After confirming everything is in place, carefully replace the back cover of your device, making sure all clips are engaged. Power on your Acer N19H2 to check if everything is functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider regularly backing up your data, using disk cleanup tools, and monitoring the health of your hard drive with software diagnostics. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.